What's shakin'? My name is Lakin. Welcome back to another video. So this should be a quick one for you guys. I was just really inspired by all the pictures I've been seeing on like Instagram and social media of the beautiful fall weather we've been having. I just wanted to be creative and get outside and just take some pictures. So follow me along as I do that. I'll probably post some edited ones towards the end or maybe throughout the video here. We'll see. But I don't have much daylight left, so I gotta make this quick. The camera I'm gonna be using is Canon R7 with the 50mm lens. So it should get a nice, pretty blurry background. It's what, 1.8? Yeah, 1.8. So like I said, I don't have much daylight left, so we gotta make this quick. Let's get to it. Alright, sorry about this poor quality. I'm using my GoPro and the lighting's not as good, so but we're gonna start right here. And I brought a spray bottle to, you know, make it look cooler if I can see the droplets. Okay, I don't really know if you can see me or not, but there's this cool leaf right here. And then there's also this one right here. And it's got this spider web and stuff behind it. Pretty neat. I guess one thing about being a photographer or nature photographer is don't be afraid to get dirty, you know, down here on the ground. So anyways, maybe you can see me, don't even know. Those turned out pretty nice. I like those. I like those a lot. See if I can get this to work. Not really. My sprayer's not working very well. Really liking how these look here. I'm gonna try to take a picture of those. Better. Okay, cool. Got some good shots there. We're gonna walk back here, kind of towards my backyard. Beautiful day, by the way. Probably about 70 degrees. And this is the backyard. We got this old barn back here that needs to be torn down, but I kind of like the way it looks. Gives it an old-timey feel. Pretty cool, huh? So I'm gonna try to grab some quick shots back here. Like I said, it's kind of cool back here. Kind of creepy though. Kind of cool, so see what we get. well, hopefully I got some pretty decent shots around here in this area. I'm gonna keep shooting, but I won't know until I get them, you know, all these uploaded on the computer to see if they're any good. Like I said, it's very cloudy. I'm losing daylight here, but I'm enjoying this, and I hope you do too. And if you're liking this kind of content, please like, subscribe possibly, and leave me a comment saying you like this kind of stuff, and I'll be sure to do more of it. So I'm gonna keep shooting for a little while, probably till it gets super dark, or till my picture quality is just garbage. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Get out there and shoot your shot.